Here we are at Solana Beach and Tennis Club, Unit 345. Give you a quick tour here. Before we head into the unit, you come down. The elevator is located right there. You come down, they have these really cool patios for the units that you can use that are interior patios. As you walk down the hallway, you have amazing views to the hills of Solana Beach here on the eastern side. And let's take a look inside. As we walk in, we have engineered hardwood and a nice storage closet right as you walk into the unit. This unit has had remodeling done to it, so it is a little bit more modernized than some of the originals. As you walk in, we have our secondary bedroom here, primary here, and our kitchen right here. Kitchen has been really beautifully redone, has a coastal theme to it, really pretty blue cabinets. This unit does have washer dryer in unit and in the kitchen area, stackable. You can definitely get a panel if you wanted to cover that or something like that, but nice space for a fridge as well. Lots of storage, has some long pantry space. Well, here, nice uppers. They added some recessed lighting to make it look extra nice here. And the living area, situated in two sections here. We have the dining room here. Could add a chandelier, has a ceiling fan currently. Gives you tons of space. You could even put a little desk or office there. And then what I love being on the top floor is that we have vaulted ceilings with exposed wood beams. Lots of really cool built-in cabinetry here. Gives this place just a little bit more texture to it. This unit originally just came with wall heating. The owner has added mini split system throughout the unit, so you do have heating and air throughout the unit, which is rare and wonderful. Really nice fireplace as you come through here, so it is a real working fireplace. And then we have this amazing one of two patios with killer views. It's a perfect day out today. You can see clear into La Jolla from here. It's a little hazy down in La Jolla, but a great clean shot down to La Jolla. Amazing views here off to the north, and you can hear the ocean in the background. We're just one building off the ocean, and if you look in front of us, this is just a two-story building. We're the third-story building, so technically this is the only other stack of units that does have views like this aside from the ocean front. The rest of the complex does not have this type of ocean view. Again, you can see the depth here. It's got some stained glass up there. If you wanted to remove those, you definitely could. We'll go to the secondary bedroom and bathroom here. Good sized bathroom. Does have a tub and shower set up here. Glass doors. Newer toilet. Again, all the rooms have really nice vaulted ceilings and views of the ocean. Got some mirrored glass doors for the closet. Tons of natural light here. Again, vaulted ceilings, dual closets for the primary. So you have a walk-in as well as this mirrored glass. And again, mini splits in this room, so everything's heating and cooled. Your own little private patio. This is the housing for the mini split. Really nice way they made it look a little bit more attractive. An additional sliding closet here, so lots of storage. And take a look here at the primary bathroom. It does have a nice big shower. And there we are at Solana Beach and Tennis Club, Unit 345.